How to survive in the wild. How else would I survive in the wild without my nature survival kit with my handy cameraman for as long as we need. So while I'm out here, I gotta find food, shelter, water to survive. There's a native tribe called the Akumians. They've ravaged the land for leagues. Look! This right here, real delicacy. You can tell they had time to process the nutrients that they consumed over the time, which gives me enough energy to know where they lie. They're somewhere near this area. I can only tell one way to track them down is to consuming their decomposed consumed. Here I go. Now. Now the texture within this thing is mighty minerals, a lot of vitamins. That's a bit odd. I taste lakes. See that? That's an Akumian. We've been haunted. Bollocks! We were spotted! Oh, I'm pretty banged up, but I took it down, Nate style. After a raging fight with an animal beast, such as an Akumian, I've been really barking for some water. Good thing for Nature Nate survival kit, it comes handy with a huge canteen of water, of the purest water that you could ever find. Alright, it's getting a bit dark. All that leads left is shelter. I'll be impervious to any retaliation of Akumians out of nowhere. So I must set up camp, make a fire, and be safe. Now. Where's the other? Come on. There we go. Well, that's bloody alright. I don't need any fires. I just piss on myself to get warm. No matter. You might be wondering why I'm doing out here late. As I prefer to hunt at the day, I'm impervious to anything around me at night. No one will see. But do you notice that delectable prize over there? It's none other than the Persian owl. Mustache, you must leave me. Nature! I think it's still chasing us! Whoa! That owl, not one to tamper with. Bloody almost got me. But I scared it off. No food. No water. Pretty bagged up. Lost a quart of blood. No shelter. Did I say that? I have a concussion. Minor one, mind you. I'm still walking. I don't think I'm going to survive out here actually much longer. I'm next to Nate. Maybe my last episode. Signing off to all your kids eating cereal at home. I love ya. They'll call me native.